Hi, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. As you can see, this case is a Walther, and this is my first Walther. Which one did I choose? Let's get this opened up. And this is the Walther PDP Pro-E. The E stands for enhanced. Let's see what we got in here. Firearm safety depends on you, from the Firearm Industry Trade Association, the ATF brochure, button cell coin battery, warning, the optic plate, and I can redeem to get a different plate, and the Walther manual. Make sure I got all that stuff in. There's that and that, ATF, the warning. Now, as you can see, I got a cleaning cloth here, and there are a couple of Allen wrenches inside this little bag. What does that mean? That means that the version of the Walther I have already has a optic on it. Let's put this away. Here is the lock. You can see it's Walther branded. It also came with this little trigger guard lock. Here's another. That's an Allen wrench, like it's Torx, and some other piece. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe to change out the back straps is probably what that's for. You can see we got two other back straps, probably small and large. And you can see this one has a little more of a beaver tail to it. And they are plastic. What else do we have here? We have the magazines. This is a 18 round, but I believe this possibly is a +2 base plate. So this is probably 20 rounds. See, I have that Walther blue on the follower. You have the loader, Walther branded, and another magazine. And let's get the star to show out. Take it out of this bag. You see it's new. I haven't even taken it out of the bag. It's the Walther PDP Pro-E again. Now you see I already have an optic on it. It is the, I think it's C&H, something like that. Optic. It is, I wonder if I can get that in to where you can see it. It's multi-reticle though. So it's not just a dot, even though that's what it looks like there. This is a multi-reticle dot. I love the texture. Yeah, this is aggressive. So I like that. It's an aggressive, good grip. Deep slide serrations. So easy to cock. Let's take out that chamber flag. Oh, I forgot the third magazine is in here. Let's take that out. See, it's empty. The gun is empty, of course. There's no rounds in there. So you get 3 magazines. That's always good. I am probably going to change this around. I'm left-handed, and I would rather have the magazine release on the other side. And it's in a good position. So if I'm right-handed, it's in a good position. Some magazine releases are, you really have to break your grip to actuate them. This one I can without breaking my actual grip, so that's good. It's got the integrated Well, I should say integrated because I think you can take that off. It's got the mag well on it though, which is cool. PDP brand in there. It's got the undercut, so that's good. And it has the performance duty trigger. And I believe this is I don't know, is that polymer or is that metal? Could be. I think it's metal. The trigger safety looks definitely to be metal. You can see that trigger has the Walther branding on it as well. Of course, this is in 9mm. Very cool. Again, this is my first Walther. Let's see what that trigger feels like. You got a little take up, maybe a little creep, and then a crisp break. So take up, break, see the reset right there. Short reset. That's nice. I can't wait to get this to the range. It's got the Picatinny rail. It's at 4 slots. Very nice. It's got the slide stop and extended slide stop. So that's good. What else can I say about this? The mag well, easy funneling. I'm doing this behind the camera, so it didn't look like that, but it's actually easily to funnel the magazine into the gun. And I wonder if I'm going to get a different Walther. I've been kind of looking at other models, but I think I'm going to see how this one works. The one thing I would like to do, because I'd like to fire my weapons with the included sights first. And this has a 3 white dot system. See that red dot in there? But it does look like you have a, what's that, probably 1/3 co-witness maybe? So we will see how that works. Now, I've been watching quite a few videos on the Walther PDP, and I have been told that it is oversprung. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the ZR Tactical recoil spring, probably the V-Spec, and put that in and see how it feels. I kind of want to run it without it first and then come back and put it in. I just want to see what it feels like stock, and then make that change. But I will probably change that out. I can't remember on the Walther if the recoil spring is metal or plastic. I know a lot of them tend to be plastic these days. And yeah, this looks to be a polymer guide rod. Not too particular on that anyway, even though there's probably not any incidences of that actually breaking. I think it just doesn't make people feel good to have, you have this heavy steel slide and then have a polymer guide rod. The springs are flat spring, no. So you're probably not really in any danger of it breaking. I don't think I've seen any videos or anything where somebody said it's broken, but I don't know. I think I'm going to switch that out. So there you are. That is the Walther PDP Pro-E, already with the optic on it. And what's cool about, I don't know if they make this directly for the Walther, but you can see even the optic has cuts in it to match up with the slide serrations. So maybe I'll go ahead and do a video and take this when I take this to the range so you can see how it fires, and we will go from there. All right. Thanks for watching.